my honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a spur of the moment filming. Got my stuff my house clothes on. But anyway, I'm making some chicken. I got 10 more minutes. Let me show you. Okay, I got hot chicken crack. And let me show y'all the chicken. The way the chicken looks is almost done. These wings are smaller than what I usually have. I got the hot chicken crack, and I'll leave the link in my description box. I started not to film, but I said, yeah, I probably want to see this. Okay, I got my one piece of bread in this bowl. I'm going to use some Frank's Red Hot extra hot sauce. And I'm going to use this F. Whitlock & Sons original whiskey barbecue sauce on my chicken. I'm taking pain pills for my back, so I have to eat. I'm only supposed to take 2 per day, so I'm supposed to eat when I take one. So usually I don't even eat like most people supposed to eat. I go all day without eating, then I eat a big meal or just meat. I'm so hungry. It's 3:27, so this is about the time I eat, maybe. I'm getting ready to stop this now. It's been cooking for 20 minutes. I'm sure it's done. Yeah, look at that. Okay, this is how my wings look. Hot chicken crack. And I didn't flip them. So I don't have to flip them anymore. They brown on both sides. Whew. Nice and crispy. Okay. So I put them in the air fryer with this side up, this flat side up, and I don't flip them. And that way, this part, the way it's shaped, is kind of raised up from the air fryer basket. Looks very nicely. So, I don't even have my tripod set up. Just a minute. Just broke a piece. Good and done. The footage of me tasting the chicken got lost some kind of way. This is hot chicken crack, but somebody who doesn't like hot and spicy food, they would like this. It's not outrageous. Okay, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye-bye.